Welcome back to another video on the MK1 MX5. Today we're going to be putting my hardtop on. Here in the UK, summer's pretty much over. The rain's starting to get worse, and as you can see, my back window isn't in the best condition. It does hold the rain off and the water, but it's just letting in like a condensation. It is just getting cold now, so we're going to get the Frankenstein bolts out, get the hardtop, the soft top down, sorry, and then we'll get the hardtop on and go from there.
Perfect.
So I'm actually going to be mounting the hardtop with hard mounts instead of the actual the clips that you can remove. So I'm using the Jass Performance hard plates for front, side, and I actually have the rears as well that go on the boot lid. I prefer to go this way just because it's more rigid. I'm not really going to keep taking the hardtop on and off, so I don't really need to worry about the convenience of the latches. I just feel like these look better too, so we'll get these fitted and I'll show you it all when it's done.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So you just saw me cutting down the seatbelt tower plastics, just because the mount will actually sit right in there, and obviously if the top's still there it does just squash it. So I've just done two nice straight lines and neatened it up. Isn't the prettiest, but you probably won't see much of it. So the seatbelt towers are just there, just the plastics going along a little bit side of the door. I had to take my strut brace off across the top, being the 1.8, but it's only a few bolts, just one in the side there, two on the top there, and then just pull the plastics out. So I'll show you putting this back in, and then we can carry on fitting the hardtop and get the rear mounts on.
Please say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Okay, so you just saw fitting all the hardtop mounts in. These are the rear Jass ones, so it replaces the Frankenstein bolt. It just comes with a little washer. You use the two to bolt to the hardtop, and then that long one goes straight down into the boot where the Frankenstein bolt will go. Just make sure you put your little plastic washer in the back there, and then they close up just as normal, so it's nice and it looks super clean. I'm just going to tighten everything now up. The Jass website recommends that you tighten the front ones first. You do the small 3 bolts first at the top, so connecting it to the hardtop, push down to the front and then tighten the 2, and then the same for the side ones. You just do the 3 bolts at the top first, get someone to push down to the hardtop, make sure it's sit flush, and then do the 2 bottom ones, and then obviously tighten the back ones. So I'll get those all tightened up, and that should be it. And we're done. So you just saw me last tighten up the just the rear deck ones, and then they're all tightened up there. So as I said, do the 3 small ones first on all 4, and then get someone to, or you can do it yourself. I just pushed it down, and then do the bottom 2 on each one. As you can see, solid. Yeah, I'm really proud of those. That is actually the 3rd time I've put the hardtop on, and I love those mounts. They're really good. As I say, it adds a lot of rigidity, and I do think they just look way better. So yeah, thanks for everyone watching so far. Hope you enjoyed it, and there'll be plenty more. See you on the next one.